started it.
We're going to demonstrate how to give medication, particularly in a pill form, to your dog. When you're going to do that, what I recommend doing is you have everything all ready to go so that you can do it fairly quickly without fooling around. It's a lot easier if you can get the medication down the first time versus the second or third time that you give it. The dogs, a lot of times you can open their mouth easily. If you roll their lip in a little bit, they don't want to bite down on that, and they'll pop their mouth open some so that you can open their mouth. They have kind of a groove down the middle of their tongue. Now Dakota's used to making his mouth, but down the middle of their tongue, and that's where you want the pill, okay? You want the pill down as far as you can go, and if you notice he's a big dog, this is a bit of food that I'm going to use like it's a pill, and when you're pilling them, I would have my hand quite right down his throat with that, and then he should swallow it very nicely. The other things that you can use, there are some products that you can use to put the pill inside of so that the dogs can just chew it. This is one of them. These are pill pockets. With that, if you have an agreeable dog, you can just put the pill inside of it and hand it to him like a treat. One of the things that we'll recommend doing with that is if you have 2 treats available. One, the first one you give has the pill in it, and the second one does not. So you're going to give them the first one and then tempt them with the second one. A lot of times they'll take that first one a little quicker. The other thing that you can use is a apparatus where you can put the pill on the end of it, and they're very, very soft, so you really can't do any damage. And it helps you get down the throat farther for the dog. And if you can see this red end on this particular one, when I'm going down his throat, it's a long ways down there. You really want it back, the back of their tongue area here, and right down there in the center. Otherwise, they're going to kind of spit it back at you. So it's just like when we take medication, it's best if you can follow it with a little bit of a drink or a little bit of food to make sure it goes all the way down the throat. There are certain medications that if they get stuck in that esophagus can really cause some irritation. We hope these tips will help you get your medication down your dogs easier.